Hey guys, thanks so much for joining. This is Sage from Sage Knows IT. First and foremost, just want to thank you guys for the love and the support throughout the month of October with this series of cybersecurity awareness. I'm having a blast providing this information out to you, as well as getting the feedback from you guys on this. It's been tremendous. One of the best months in terms of this channel, as well as my blog, going through this information with you guys. It's sad to say that, all good things must come to an end, but at least these videos will still be in the playlist if you guys ever need it. And this is also going to be the last week for the contest, so you still got some time to enter in and find all the clues. So just again, thank you so much. This week I decided that I'm going to do a blend of what I wanted to do during week 3 and what I'm doing for week 4, which is technical controls. We'll also be talking about business continuity planning as well. But for this particular video here, we're just going to be talking about technical controls related to emails. Now, if you recall, in week 1, we were talking about employee awarenesses and tips and tricks that employees can do in order to prevent them from being phished or clicking on links, giving them vigilance and awareness while they're doing their job and working in that email capacity. As an administrator or sysadmin, one of the tools that you guys can actually utilize in your environment is the ability to prepend emails within your organization, specifically for emails that are coming from and outside of your organization and coming in. I think this is very helpful, and what I mean by prepend is you can literally tag every single email that comes from outside the organization with a keyword or phrase. That way it alerts the user as that they know that, hey, this is not a email that's coming from within. So trust but verify kind of scenario or mindset that you have in place. One of the ones that I find that's useful for my clients is by using the word external in like brackets in all caps. So then that way, whenever they open up the emails or see the emails, they know right away, hey, that email is coming from an external source. So be very cautious or wary of whether I need to click on links or what that person is asking me to do. Is it within my capacity to do it? Does this feel like it might be a phishing campaign? And that 1 to 2 seconds of them thinking about it is more than enough time for you to, or for them to be able to react and say, hey, maybe I should just take a step back and verify. So so if you haven't been doing that or implementing that into your organization, I highly would recommend it. Again, it's usually like a rule base inside of Outlook or Exchange rather, that says that, hey, from emails coming outside the organization to recipients coming inside the organization, prepend the email to show brackets external in all caps. Again, hopefully that will help you guys out. What kind of tips and tricks do you guys do with emails to for your employees? Let me know. Drop a note in the comments section. I think maybe we want to talk about steganography maybe next week or something like that. I think that might be important. So just there you go. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Also, please take some time to go to my website, www.sageknowsit.com. Sign up for our community. We got a lot of tips, tricks, as well as documentations that are useful for small business owners, aspiring technologists and infosec, whole gambit of information there. It's great material there. I greatly appreciate it. Also, just hit us up at Twitter, or hit me up at Twitter. I'm getting the hang of this. Sage Comp Repair, there's Twitter, Instagram, Sage Computer Repair, all spelled out. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video.